Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Karis by name. So guys, on today's tutorial, I'm creating this eye look. So guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button and that notification button to get more of my videos. And guys, please stick into the end of the video and let's see how we achieve this look. Thank you.
Yeah guys, with our palette we're going with a lighter brown, so I'll be taking in my fluffy brush to apply the brown shade of eyeshadow. While applying it, I blend. I'm still applying. While applying, I'm still blending. Here I'm going with my blending brush, still with my light brown. I give it a blend. I blend. Going with my powder shade in a lighter brown to give it a smooth blend. Apply and I blend. Here we blend. Yes guys, I'm going in with my concealer in lighter shade, taking in my brush to cut some crease, but not actually cutting crease, but applying it at the crease area. I'm applying concealer because I want to have a smooth area, so while I apply my eyeshadow it will go in to blend in smooth. Here I'm going with my blending brush to blend those harsh lines all together with the brown shade of eyeshadow and blend everything. Yes, I'm going with my purple shade of eyeshadow. Here we apply, we dab in our purple shade, we dab in, dab. At that place we apply the concealer, we dab. Here guys, we blend in gradually to blend in the purple and the brown all together to have that smooth transiting blend. So guys, can you believe I forgot to put in my tape? So yeah, I'm going in with my tape to be able to have that wing eye effect. So next guys, on the list I'm going with my darkest brown shade. Here with the brown eyeshadow, I'll be winging it at the bottom part of my eye to give it that wing, that creepsy wing. I'll be applying it. Here I'm still applying it. I'll be going into my inner corner eye, but not really at the inner corner eye. So here guys, I'm going with my blending brush to blend out those harsh lines, to give it that dark brown and the purple a smooth transiting all together too. Here guys, I'll be taking my smudging brush, applying that dark shade of brown. Here I blend in together, like I smudge it. With an empty brush, I'm going to blend in. Next guys, I'm going with my palette, my darkest eye brown shade, to going for the inner corners of the eyes, because I can't use eyeshadow palette. It won't give me that cat eye effect that I want. So I'm going with my concealer. Next off, I'm taking off my tape. I'll go in with my concealer brush and my concealer to cut the excesses. I'm starting off with the wing eye. I'll cut out and apply on the eye, then cut the corners of the eye to give it that sharp wing. So next guys, after done cutting our eyeshadow with our eye concealer, we drag the concealer down, apply it below our eyes. Next, I'm going with my smudging brush to smudge out. Oh my god, I'm going with my beauty sponge to blend out the concealer and blend it into the skin. I blend. Guys, we blend. So next up, I'm going with my darkest brown. I'm going it for the under eye. Apply this under eye gradually, guys, like gradually, so it won't enter your eyes. So I blend. I'm going with a purple shade also for the under. Yeah, I blend it all together with the brown. Yeah, I'm blending. I blend down to the cat eye area. Next up guys, I'm going with my mascara. From the end of my look, I apply my mascara, and so I apply both for the under eye. Here guys, here we have a final look. So guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like. Bye for now.